There's a moment in some relationships when you realize the more effort you put in, the more exhausted you feel. You give more time, more reassurance, more patience, and somehow the relationship feels like you're falling short. For example, maybe Sundays used to be your day to do what you wanted. Maybe it was coffee with friends or your fitness routine, just a few hours where no one needs anything from you. But now your Sundays are spent managing your partner's moods, talking them through another crisis, or apologizing for a perceived slight. Maybe it's canceling plans because they're angry with you for making them. You tell yourself, when things calm down, I'll get back to me. But things don't calm down. There's always another need. There's always another hurt feeling, another test of your loyalty. Needing support is human. But when one partner gives up their own life to meet their partner's excessive demands on their time and energy, it's something else. When you feel like you're failing your partner, it doesn't always mean you're failing. Sometimes it means they're asking you to fill an emptiness that no relationship can fulfill. And the more you abandon yourself trying to fill that emptiness, the more you lose yourself in the relationship. Love can ask for your care, compromise, and your presence, but it shouldn't require you to sacrifice your well-being. So pay attention to what keeps getting displaced in your relationship, your friendships, your rest, your personal interests. These are not unnecessary distractions from the relationship. They help you stay grounded in your sense of self. You don't have to choose between loving someone and staying connected to yourself. A healthy relationship leaves room for both.